Let me take you back to 1905. Bengal wasn't just a province, it was the nerve center of British India. It was huge, covering Bengal, Bihar, and Orissa, with nearly 80 million people. And Calcutta? That was the capital of British India. Now, Lord Curzon, the viceroy, came forward with a plan. He said it was for administrative convenience, but in reality, it was a classic divide and rule strategy. On October 16, 1905, Bengal was split. Western Bengal along with Bihar and Orissa, Eastern Bengal and Assam, with Dhaka as its center. But here's the truth. Bengal had become the heart of Indian nationalism. Leaders like Aurobindo Ghosh and Surendranath Banerjee were rallying people, and the British wanted to weaken that unity. By carving out a Muslim-majority East Bengal, Curzon hoped to sow division and reduce the influence of the educated elites of Calcutta. The reaction? Explosive. The moderates, like Surendranath Banerjee, held peaceful meetings, petitions, and even founded the Federation Hall Society. The extremists, like Tilak and Bipin Chandra Pal, pushed for Swadeshi, boycott of foreign goods, self-reliance, and total rejection of British control. And the people of Bengal? They hit the streets. Hartals, fasting, mourning. They tied Rakis to symbolize unity, shouted Bande Mataram, and Rabindranath Tagore composed Amar Sonar Bangla, which later became Bangladesh's national anthem. This movement gave birth to some big changes. The Swadeshi Movement took off. The Muslim League was founded in 1906, and in 1907, Congress itself split at Surat between moderates and extremists. The protests grew so strong that by 1911, the British had to back down. At the Delhi Durbar, Lord Hardinge announced the annulment of the partition. Bengal was reunited. But here's the twist. The British shifted their capital from Calcutta to Delhi just to curb Bengal's influence. But then you might wonder, if Bengal was reunited in 1911, why do we have West Bengal and Bangladesh today? That's because in 1947, during India's independence, Bengal was split again, this time permanently. Eastern Bengal, Muslim majority, became East Pakistan. Western Bengal, Hindu majority, stayed with India as West Bengal. And finally, in 1971, East Pakistan broke away to form Bangladesh. So the 1905 partition may have been reversed, but it planted the seeds of religious division that shaped Bengal's destiny for the rest of the century. All right, that's a wrap for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any ideas or recommendations for future videos, please share them in the comments. I'd truly love to hear from you. And hey, don't forget to hit subscribe, because knowing stuff is cool, and so are you.